There's a young man who's complaining about his father that is abusing him and his brothers. Sibahle Msibi stated that this all started after there were some items that were missing at his home. And he mentioned that him and his brothers were suspected for these. This young man says his father sent some dangerous men to beat them up. That is when they tried to escape.
Likhaya kube nekulahleka kwetimpahla manje basola thina abafana labancane lesibafana sing5 manje kulosola kwethu ke lempahla setinemalanga kahlekile itolo lensamba amawe ubabe bekadzakiwe wasuthumela abantu ababili wathi abetosibamba bathi thina siyathatha impahla labantu basitshele bathi batosibamba singayi kulala thina sathi sesilele ngabo 1 ebusuku bafika kanzima sisile ngamaPVP bafika bafuna ukwabula lo mnyango sazama ukuphuma sabalile abanye babasigijimisa bababamba abanye sina abanye sakhona ukuphunya uhambe so report emaphoyiseni bafike bangasisite ngalo into basisite ngamaphoyisa
basite
linye iphoyisa nje shite masifika lapha eKhathe police station angathi ngamkhohlwa uthi ngibani bafika wathi ke hayi kumcoka kwabo nje ukuthi nibathathe labafana fike ngibadophe mangwaneni basidophela into basipha la mangwaneni bathi haya sihambe sekhaya ukuthi ngokusindayo sathi noma sesibuyela ekhaya phinze futhi bachubeka naloko labantu ngavele bekusebusuku vele besikushaya 3 lapho
lethi impahla natati nentashonayo
asithathe impahla nentashonayo uma sesibatshela futhi siyabatshela impahla asithathe
okay
futhi nawo
lolo thume abantu besiphathe mbamba ngibabone mbamba
ngibaba wethu laba lababili laba bantu labatiwako lamangwane ukuthi vele bona abantu abanemandla abatiwako ukuthi bugebengu babenda abanemacrime lamaningi ababanje.
This report was compiled by Justice Lamini at Mangwaneni.